Ethiopia is in change. Developing quickly forward, the demand for appropriate housing and urbanization concepts is rapidly growing. At the Ethiopian Institute of Architecture, Building Construction and City Development in Addis Ababa, lecturers and students are meeting this demand within an innovative academic environment. An open learning atmosphere, autonomous academic chairs, adjusted curricula and up-to-date technology support the new practical approach of technical education. Internationally advanced teaching and learning methods are employed in the campus by the new scientific director.
85% of what we're doing is up to international standard, and right now I see also on the fact that more and more international universities, for example, are seeking active partnerships with the EiABC. Proves that we make up our name and that we are known for a reliable and trustworthy partner.
The combination of local experience with international knowledge is a valuable resource for sustainable housing concepts.
We are going to use bamboo. So what we are going to do from a neighboring region, we will bring artisans who are very good in weaving bamboo for roofing, and then they will train the Gurage local people so that they will change their roofing material into a bamboo.
Students create new designs with bamboo and modify them based on computer-aided design. An award-winning low-cost housing concept involves self-construction respecting the needs of lower-income tenants. It was developed at the Chair of Basic Architectural Design. The Ethiopian Institute of Architecture, Building Construction and City Development continues to provide up-to-date education and research to contribute to Ethiopia's future-looking urbanization.